What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C. Will back at it, bro. Another slight video, man. Look, in today's video, y'all, we just gonna be talking about, my first time getting stopped in a 2021 Charger Redeye, man. We just gonna talk about what happened, how it happened, all that good stuff, man. I'm gonna show y'all the actual footage that came from that stoppage, man. As y'all seen in the previous video, we did get stopped. All right, I did a little slight pull as I was decelerating. He caught me on the way down, bro. He said he caught me 80 in a 45 or 50 or something like that. Y'all even seen when he turned his lights on and blah 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 blah. I was decelerating, but nevertheless, man, let's get to the video, baby. If y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, man. Let's get to it. But yeah, let me get out the way, bitch. Shee. Oh, know what time it is. I come through this thing. Shee. Oh yeah, we in this thing now, boy. See that? That look like a cop right there, boy. I don't know. Them damn whatchamacallits, them damn Tacoma 4Runners or Toyota, whatever them 4Runners is. You gotta be cautious around them things, boy. Ooh. That could have been a cop. He could have hit me up, but yeah. Yo, listen, I don't trust nobody out here with a damn 4Runner. All right, I'm gonna put a picture up of what a 4Runner look like. Everybody out there that drive a 4Runner, y'all guilty. I don't give a goddamn, bro. Y'all all guilty. Y'all look like the cops, bro. And that's on me. I'm telling you. I'm telling y'all, man. Yeah, these pulls out here is crazy though, y'all. Like, man, like it's insane how I'm pulling in this car, bro. Like these are tires, y'all. Like they actually work good too. Like they actually working, and it looked like this cop is about to pull me over. Yep, he's about to. So yeah, of course. I'm gonna just tell him, look, man, I just accelerated. I make YouTube videos and stuff. That's all. I was just trying to get a pull. So 1 second, y'all. Hello, how you doing, sir? Sir, I mean, all I did, sir, was just accelerate. I wasn't trying to endanger anybody, brother, I promise. I just make videos. Yeah, I got you, brother. I mean, I'm sorry. So I actually just now got this car, sir, like I'd probably say like 3 weeks ago. I guess they're like busy on the registration at the DMV, so
yeah, the temporary registration. You should have the temporary.
So all I have, sir, is like actual paperwork showing that, hey, this is my actual car, sir. That's it, brother. I can show you my insurance on my phone, but that's all I have, brother. They told me to have this just in case anything happens or anything, right? Okay. But yeah, that's all I have, brother.
I'll be right back.
Okay, no problem, sir. See, boy out here trying to get me. Look, see, he trying to get me, bro. Damn, boy, that's crazy, y'all. I figured he was like, you're just coming up too fast, brother. Fuck. Nah, it's all good though, man. Like, it happens, he seemed cool. Like, he don't seem like the type that was, I was trying to explain to him, sir, look, I'm a YouTube content car creator or whatever, right? I make YouTube videos, boss. Yeah, I'm not tripping. I leave the island anyways in 3 to 4 weeks, bro. You know what I mean? So I'm not tripping. It is what it is. So yeah, I'm gonna just pull up my little insurance. Shout out USAA, baby. We got insurance, bro. Always got insurance. So we're finna get that done, and we're gonna see what he talking about. Damn, y'all. So look, man, this is what happens, bro. Like, try to get some good content right, all of a sudden cop is chilling on the side of the road. Man, like I said, y'all, the cops out here hot now, bro. They hot right now. I should have known better. I should have seen them too. Like, I seen them from a distance, but I already knew I wasn't finna get a big pull. I was just I was actually merging off, so I was pulling to merge off, and he was just like, yeah, you was coming up too fast, brother. I was like, man, sir, I totally understand. I'm not here to endanger anybody. I'm a really safe driver. There wasn't no traffic around, right? So I was like, hey, sir, I have a fast car. I mean, I might as well let that thing rip, Like, I'm pretty sure he understands, like, but we gonna see. Like he knows, like, I just got this car, I got the temporary tags and all, you know what I'm saying? So I just got this car, man. He's in the back, as y'all see, bro. He's in the back, taking a little long, probably just trying to run my plates, trying to see if this is really my car or not, which it is. But he looked like he's writing something down, so I don't know. Hopefully he give me a warning. I'm gonna tell him, hey, sir, look, I'm about to leave the island. I'll ship the car literally in like 2.5 weeks, brother. I wasn't trying to endanger nobody, right? I was just trying to get some car content for my YouTube. He can look at my YouTube on the back of my car too, right? So I'm not just making this up, right? So, But yeah, y'all, this is the first time I'm getting stopped in the Hellcat Redeye, man. So he's coming back right now. So we're gonna see what he say. Bro, he's an ass, bro. Like, I was trying to explain to him, bro, look, I'm about to ship the car. Oh, you got a court date at June, blah, blah, blah. Bro, I'm not worried about that damn court date, bro. That's on everything. I'm not even, you talking about June something. I got a court date, and I gotta be blah, 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 blah. Oh, you my fastest ticket today, brother. You know, blah, 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 blah. Bro, like, this is crazy, bro. I'm about to go to Colorado, forget all about this damn ticket, and blah, 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 blah. They can kiss my ass. I might get a Colorado driver's license, and blah, 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 blah. Man, I'm not worried about dude, bro. That's on everything, bro. Like, I swear, bro, cops out here, bro, they don't have shit else to do, bro. Like they don't believe in giving people warning. He talk about, yeah, you know, it's a 40, it was a 45, and I got to it like an 80, so blah, blah, blah. How the hell is it 45 on the highway? Like, it at least be like 55 to like 60. You know what I'm saying, y'all? So that right there is already baloney. That's BS, but it is what it is, bro. Like, I'm out here trying to get some car content for y'all, man. Like, I don't care about getting no ticket, as long as nobody got hurt, as long as I really wasn't endangering anybody. You know, I don't speed around traffic or nothing crazy like that, you know. So, but like I said, y'all, the cops out here hot. Like y'all can see, right? The cops out here are hot for whatever reason, man. They starting to crack down on people like me, right? So he was like, yeah, man, you know, this is the fastest ticket I had all day. I said, yeah, sir, this probably the fastest car you've seen all day. Fuck. That's literally what I told him. Like, sir, it's a Charger Redeye. It's the fastest car you've probably seen all day. Like, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, it makes sense. Like, he's trying to play me now, but yeah, man, I don't even know if I feel like going fast on the way back, man. These people out here like kill my vibe, y'all, for real, man. This cop's so lame, bro. Like, if I was a cop, bro, like, and if I see you got a nice car, bro, you end up telling me your situation, bro, I'd be like, you know what, man, all right, bet, bro. Like, you know, you obviously got temporary tags. You just got the car. You learning about the car, right? I'm gonna just give you a pass, you know, but let this be your last or first and last pass, you know, I'm gonna give you, you know what I'm saying? Anybody else gonna give you a ticket, I'll be like, no, sir, I'm really grateful, thank you. So, man, these cops out here ain't no good, man. I can't wait to leave Hawaii. Got a court date, so say in June. I leave here next month. Come on, man. I ain't, bro, forget all that, bro. I'm not going to that court date stuff, bro. They can kiss my ass. But anyways, back to the content, baby. All right, CEEFAM. So look, man, we back at it, bro. Man, I guess I just don't learn, bro. Like, I done seen people, man, overcome a bunch of tickets, dog. It's not the end of the world. Is it a mood killer, y'all? Yes. All right, my vibe is kind of down. I feel like, man, you know what? Let me just do this 55 ass speed limit, right? Speed limit out here on the highway, y'all, be like 55, bro. 60 max, you know what I mean, y'all? So my mood is kind of down. I feel like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't even feel like speeding no more or nothing crazy like that, bro. Like, cause, bro, the cops out here is just atrocious, dog. If I was in Texas, I would not get pulled over for 80, you know what I mean? Or if I was in certain states, bro, like, but Hawaii is the only state I know, bro. Speed limit on the highway is 50, 55. 60 is like best case scenario, right? You can get away with 65, 66 going out here, right? So yeah, man, geez, I feel like I don't know, I really applaud myself for like getting pulled over, you know what I mean? Like, I mean, I'm really driving my car, bro. Like, but at the same time, y'all, is obviously like stupidity, you know, that I got pulled over. But it is what it is. It happens to the best of us, happens to the worst of us, y'all. It's not the end of the world if you get a ticket. Like I said, I don't even have no damn license plate, so I don't know if he just put it on my license. I don't know if he can't really tack it to the car, like, unless, you know what I mean, like, I didn't really show him my insurance or nothing, right? So I don't know what he did. I don't know if he, you know what I mean? But it is what it is. Yeah, it's not the end of the world, y'all, if y'all get a ticket. This is like my 4th ticket in my whole life. I've been driving since I was like 16, to be honest. So, you know, USAA been pretty good to me. I never really noticed the increase in my insurance. I'm almost 25 too, so it is what it is, man. Like, it should be cool. My insurance should go down once I hit 25 anyway. So but yeah, y'all, I'm finna just go home. Yeah, got some stuff to do later on, man. I hope I could have got like enough pulls for y'all. Like, I can't open it up the way I want to open it up, you know, 160, 170, 180, because they don't have no real estate out here for that, y'all. Like, you know, as y'all seen, you know, I got stopped, so they don't have no real estate out here, man. You know, once I get to Colorado and we, you know what I mean, we get into it, then yeah, maybe hopefully I can actually open this thing up for y'all, man. But look, I appreciate y'all for stopping in. Y'all see that red SRT, man? That thing look good, you know. I appreciate y'all for stopping in, baby. Yeah. Oh yeah, shout out to the FedEx, man.